Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Abhyas. In my last few videos, I have spoken to you about dining etiquette. But that was meant mainly for us elders. When we talk about dining etiquettes for elders, how can we forget children, kids? And don't you think it's very important for the kids or children to learn the basic dining etiquettes at least right from the beginning in their appropriate age? And children anyways turn to learn very fast, and these habits stays with them for lifelong and help them building in a good and positive personality. So to begin with, always teach your children to come to the dining table with washed hands and clean face. Once they are at the dining table, they should sit straight, do not play with the cutlery. You can teach them and unfold the napkin when they are seated. Always be polite at the dining table and offer help if they can. Older kids can use the cutlery if they can. Little ones can anyway be excused until they are able to do so. Serve appropriately. Teach them to serve appropriately. Don't overload their plate. Taste the food first if they have not tasted certain dish and they are not sure whether they are going to like it or not. They should serve a small portion, taste it, and then go for the second helping. Always eat their food with closed mouth, chew properly without making any sound, and do not talk in between when they have food in their mouth. That is very important. We all know by now. So teach the children not to open their mouth with food inside. They should finish the food in mouth, have a sip of water maybe, and then they should talk if they want to say something. Do not try to reach the food which is placed little away from them, out of reach food. They should ask others to pass it. And do not criticize the food offered to them. Always, in fact, teach them to be grateful, because giving them example that there are so many children and so many people in the world who don't get even a single meal a day. So they are fortunate enough to get such good food, such good meal is offered to them. So they should always show gratitude. And they should not be putting in their fingers for serving anything like sauce or the ketchup which is kept in the center. Teach them to serve it separately on their plate and then use it. Even that matter for butter also the same thing. So they should not be putting their used spoon or used cutlery in the common dish. In fact, they should be serving it separately on their plate and then they should be using it. So no second time dipping fingers after putting in their mouth, no licking of the fingers at the table, and no putting their fingers in their food and all that. So teach them this right from the beginning when you sit with them and they dine with you at home itself, because home is a place where they learn a lot. They lead them by example. You do the good practice and they will follow you and set an example. Children can easily learn, and the way they learn good things very fast, they learn bad things also very fast. So if we do certain things in inappropriate manner in front of them, they will follow the same. So avoid doing such things, and in fact teach them that this is not good, this is not right. Indicate to them whenever they are doing so. And no inappropriate talk at the table. There are times when we elders only, we can't stop laughing or giggling at certain inappropriate talk when children say something. So avoid that and tell them not to talk anything inappropriate at the dining table or otherwise also. No gadgets on the table, no soft toys on the table. You can give them example that the toys they touch, it may have dirt or germs which are not seen with open eyes. So they should not carry it to the dining table. They should keep it away and then only come to the dining table. It's not hygienic. So giving them example that way, you can always encourage them not to bring their toys or their devices or any gaming device to the dining table. Also teach them to be polite and wait for everyone to finish and then only leave the dining table or ask to be excused. Last but not the least, they should be thankful for the meal they have been served. So they must say thank you to the host who has served. In fact, right from the beginning, even at home they should say thanks to you. It should be in the practice that they should be grateful and they should show gratitude and they should be thankful for the meals which are served to them. So they should be thankful when they are dining with others. So this is all which we can teach to our children right from the beginning, and believe me or not, it will help them a lot in building their good personality, and it will go a long way. So if you have liked my video, please hit the bell icon, share it as much as you can, leave comments, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much.